Meow. Meow. Little licky cat. So we'll just get that nice swing of the ears and face and keep everything so it's flowing smoothly and connecting well. That ear line connects right, with a nice swing, it connects right to the muzzle there, doesn't it? It's really important to keep those connecting lines. I find it really helps me get rhythm and flow into my drawing. A line for the eyes here. And then that paw. Really making sure I place the paw well so it fits in with the rest of the drawing, because I do have a little leeway with the paw. It could be higher or lower. And when I put the eyes in, I start to tighten up a little more because we gotta make it look convincingly like a cat in this position. Starting to come to life. So just darken up some of those lines now that I like. And the other extra lines will just kind of fade away into background tone. The eye looks like it's sort of peeking at us. With all my lines, I'm really focusing on them connecting and with the flow that I'm capturing in this drawing. The nice fluid motion. Got to make it look like that tongue is kind of wrapping around that paw there. Bit of a hint of hair there. I don't do a lot of hair drawing, just hints of hair. It's a cat, we know it's got hair. Some hints of some markings there. I like that little smirk. Just changing one little line, especially around the mouth, can give the kitty that nice little smirk. Happy cat look. I feel like I got that a bit dark. We want that other eye to kind of fade away into the background. Let's make things stand out a bit. So thank you so much for watching. Lots more videos to come. We'll see you next time. Drop me a comment. Let me know what your cat's name is.